All right, you guys, so as promised, we are here in the garment district in LA with my girls. Okay, we're all designers. Now, I'm going to try to document this process as much as I can for you guys, all right? So, first things first, we're at one of my favorite stores. This is Michael Levine, you guys. Like, I'm over here just really getting my life. I don't even know how to act. I shop here all the time. Excuse me, it's a little windy out here, but I shop here all the time. So to be able to see this in person, I'm just sitting here like, yo, this is phenomenal. So look, if you guys get a chance, make sure you check out Michael Levine. Great fabrics, great prints. I'm just going to document this process. I want you guys to see it. This is my first time here in LA, so this is such a beautiful experience. Now, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you are feeling this video, but I'm going to take you on this journey with me. Let's get into it. All right, you guys, look at this. Now, I think everything in here is supposed to be... Oh, I can actually toss it. I can throw it away.
No, you don't have to. Just leave it there.
Oh, I don't want to. I mean, just what's the trash?
Over there. Next to the...
Thank you. All right, so excuse me. I was rudely interrupted, but everything in this particular store is, I want to say, up to 20% off. And I mean, these sequins are so beautiful. So what I am doing, you guys, is looking for some fabrics to use for my next collection. So that is what, oh wow. I wonder what's in the other one across the street though. So it's two of these stores. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what's back there. All right, so we're going into the Notions area, you guys.
I'm done.
Wow. Yes, look at this. Overlock thread, $1. This is insane. Oh wow, look at this. What I'm looking for is a good ivory. An ivory like this. Is this considered ivory, or do you think this is more khaki? Like cream? I need something that just blings though.
That's more ivory to me.
This is more ivory? Yeah. You have a card here? A card for here?
$100 each. How many?
No, you guys, so we are in a store where everything is, oh my gosh, look at my hair. Everything is $1 a yard, you guys. So I just got 15 yards of this beautiful, beautiful fabric. Let me go show you guys what it looks like. I mean, but honestly, the possibilities are endless, and that's what's so beautiful about this experience. The possibilities are endless. All you need is an idea, and you can legitimately bring it to life. Let me show you guys. Like, my hair is not surviving in this LA weather, but this is what I just got here. Let me see if it'll let me turn it around.
Need a card or you don't need one? She already knows.
This is the first one. The one right below it, I have 3 different colors of it. This is the one on the bus that you saw, and this is another one that you have.
Hey.
I have that on special.
For how much?
$12.
This is $12.
$25.
Yeah.
That's good.
I have it on special right now.
That's you right there, honey.
Yeah. This is you right here?
Even this clothes.
Oh wow. Let's see what else.
Those clothes in there.
Yeah. See what other goodies are back here. A leaf petal fabric.
This is good.
Oh, see if we can find Chiquita some ruffles. Is this, ask her, you had this in white?
You have this in white?
No, unfortunately, no.
No.
But I don't know if she wants to. This some nice shades of satin. Look, this looks so rich.
Yeah.
Look very rich.
Yeah. Oh, girl.
I can see this right here too. These colors.
Which one?
Those colors right there.
Yeah.
Shade,
Well,
but I don't
those
know if
only
you
for
want that.
holiday though.
You don't, that's what I'm saying.
I usually don't design with sequin no other time.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Holiday stuff.
I just asked him. I asked him did he see it in white? He said he don't have it. Look, on my video, I'm like, we need to find this for Chiquita.
But it's not white.
Yeah, but look, they may or may not know what they have. Yeah. We tried, girl. We tried.
This is pretty.
But look, sometimes they don't know what they have. I think we should just keep looking. Cause see, that's the peach one.
Yep.
That means we're getting close. We're getting close.
Now you see like the difference in the ruffle. I kept trying to tell them like I don't want the tassel one. I want the different one.
You guys, we're not settling. Okay?
I gotta go home with that.
Yeah.
Could you if I were to do the 15, could you do $10 there?
$10.
You can't do 15. 10. Okay.
No 10, no value.
Okay.
I know how much I bought it.
Yeah. No, I know.
The best I can do it is for, I give you $13.50.
$13.50 for the 15 years.
For the 15 years.
You have a card?
Yeah. It's going to be 220. Oh, I'm so sorry. 220 I give you.
So you said 15 times 13.
50 plus tax.
But what if I buy cash?
9.5.
$202.
Where?
No tax. 202.
Okay. So if I do cash, can you just do the even 200?
200.
For 15 yards. Okay. All right. Can I see it? Can I see it like rolled out? See the...
Business specialist. And you know, when you post something and you see it and you love it.
Cause you know what I'm thinking?
When you comment on
You
it,
could probably, if you do a vest, you should be able to get like, each vest should be about 1 yard to 1.5 yards. So you should be able to get at least 12 to 15 pieces out of it.
Because what I would do is, just the top part of the jacket would be the front.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice
The
one.
rest of it would be like
Some put
casual
the
or like
Exactly. So you're gonna get even more.
out of it.
Uh-huh. Girl, and throw me a little shoulder piece for the scraps that's left over.
I like that pattern and everything. But the thing is, it's not going to fit. It's not going to fit my suitcase. I have to ship it back.
Just ship it back.
I have to ship it. It's the post office like right down the street from where we staying at. Could you guys ship it from here? No, you guys don't ship?
No, we don't have it.
Okay. So even if,
UPS is here.
UPS is here.
Yeah, is
Like across the street in 9th Street.
yeah.
Then you
She
can
come in
take
here.
it.
All right, you guys, we are in Blue Moon Fabrics. Y'all, these fabrics are phenomenal. Like, look at this. These are perfect for bridal, wedding, prom, specialty. Hello, how are you?
How you doing?
Wonderful.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh, this is insane. Hello, how are you?
Good, and you? Do you need help?
Not yet. I'm just visiting here from Atlanta.
Take
So
your time.
I'm just like, wow.
Take your time.
Thank you so much. Excuse me.
Sorry. Anything?
Kinda, but not really.
Yeah, but I love the cascade. Damn, this fabric is gorgeous.